And now, WGEM Storm Track Weather with meteorologist Whitney Williams.
Well, the nighttime low was exceedingly low, although it wasn't record-breaking. And then today we only were in the upper 20s. Tomorrow we'll be in the upper 30s, and we do have a chance for a little bit of a wintry mix. We're going to take a live look outside right now. This is Macomb, thanks to First Bankers Trust Company, where everything right now, besides a little bit of wind, is all calm. There's your high today. 28, but look, the average low is 30, so we didn't even see highs today. That should be the lows. The low is actually 10 degrees, the record -1, but even that 10-degree temperature and wind chills in the lower digits were just downright cold. Right now, 25, dew point 15. Humidity 65%, pressure 30.45, and we do have a south wind at 13 miles per hour. Other locations in the tri-states all seeing temperatures in the 20s. Keokuk 25, Pittsfield 25, Quincy 24, Burlington 23. A lot of us seeing the clear skies, but cloud cover definitely making its way into the tri-states. And then something your eyes are going to go right to is this blue color, the purple colors. Of course, that is a wintry mix in the purple, and then the blue is snow. Like I said a little bit earlier, in the weather world, we call this virga, which basically just means that the precipitation is falling in the upper atmosphere, but it's so dry down by the ground that it just can't make it here. So right now, yes, your radar is showing snow and possibly some sleet, but that is not making it to the ground, and we're not expecting any tonight. You could see a few flurries at best, but what we're really going to be watching for is tomorrow. As we go through tonight, though, definitely not as cool as last night. We're expecting lows into the lower 20s, although the wind chill is going to make it feel a little bit cooler. And then tomorrow, 37, 38 degrees. So we're bumping up 10 degrees. That south wind really helps out with that. But what's really going on, that Arctic high pressure finally moving off to the east. I'm sure we're all very glad for that. We have a low pressure system up in Canada with a warm front, cold front digging down now through North Dakota and Montana, and that will be sweeping through as we go into tomorrow. But let's go ahead and get right to the future cast so you can know what to expect. High pressure, yes, continues to move off towards the east. For our northern counties, Lee County, Madonna County, you could see a little bit of some light snowfall in the morning, usually or probably before 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, but we're not expecting any accumulation. They're going to be very light. If you're south of those areas, as we roll through the rest of mid-morning, there is a chance to see some flurries, some freezing drizzle, and I do want to remind everybody that freezing drizzle is not the same thing as sleet. Freezing drizzle starts off as a snowflake, and then as it passes through warmer air in the atmosphere, it completely becomes liquid. But because the ground's going to be so cold, once the liquid makes contact with cars, trees, it instantly freezes. So that's why it's a hazard. That's why I'm bringing it up. We're not expecting any ice or snow accumulation. So as you go throughout the day, you might need to take a little extra time, but by no means, there's no need to get worried about this system. It's very, very weak. And then as we move through the rest of Monday, a cold front sweeps through. So it is going to be cooling us off. But yes, it cools us off, but doesn't, again, bring a whole lot of precipitation. As we go through the rest of tonight, remember, it's going to be cool, 21 to 20 degrees with increasing clouds. And then as we go into tomorrow, cloudy, chance of that wintry mix with a high of 37. Looks like most of it should fall before noon, because after that, temperatures will be above the freezing degree mark, so we wouldn't see any wintry mix after that. Tuesday is at the freezing degree mark, though, 32 degrees, but we do have the sunshine. Wednesday, lots of sun again, but still very cool. And as for your Thanksgiving forecast, it's definitely going to feel cool out there, but we're not expecting any kind of rain or snow on that day. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we finally get back into the 40s.
So let's recap this. You're not going to need a snow shovel tomorrow.
That's right. No snow shovel.
Might need your ice scraper on your car.
That's right.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Whitney.